Hey everyone, Jeremy Whittington here at Dreamforce 2014. I'm with Gilad, the founder and CEO of Implisit. So you guys make a pretty bold statement, the end of CRM data entry. So tell me more.
Absolutely. So Jeremy, thank you for kindly inviting me. Yeah, we aim very high. As you know, one of the biggest challenges that sales organizations and organizations in general have with CRMs is getting all the data into their CRMs and keeping everything up to date consistently across the entire team. So that's our vision, to end CRM data entry. And we started doing that by automatically connecting to the email server of the company, scanning the email communications, and then fully automatic updating the CRM with all the data. So salespeople don't have to do that, and then sales managers can enjoy full transparency of what's happening in their deals.
So I know for us, you briefly went over it, but we've done a lot of implementations installing the Outlook connector, and it is definitely a major undertaking for a company to do that. So you had mentioned that it's basically connects to the server. So in terms of implementation time that a company has to go through, what's involved? How difficult is it? How long does it take?
Yeah, so good question. Actually, implementing Implisit is very, very easy. It takes literally 60 seconds to connect to Implisit. You connect your CRM, Salesforce here at Dreamforce, and then you connect your email account, and then you're going to be up and running. Initially, it's going to take a few hours for our system to process the data, but implementations are very, very quick, and companies love, obviously, the ease of use and the full automation of our solution.
So with salespeople, basically living in their inbox, what type of features does this have in terms of being able to take their data from Outlook and bring it into Salesforce itself?
So great question. As you said, salespeople live in their inbox, and not just in their inbox, they live across any device. So not just Outlook, but at any device. Salesforce for Outlook is really popular, but unfortunately it runs only in Outlook. And then with Implisit, since we connect on the server side, we're able to basically serve any device. So, if you have sales reps that are using iPad, iPhone, BlackBerry, any mobile device, Implisit is going to be fully agnostic. By the way, there's no installation. It's only a one-time connection process. And any customer-facing communication is going to be processed by our system and then brought directly into the relevant records in Salesforce.
So for a salesperson, what type of interaction do they need to have to manage this on a day-to-day basis?
It's a very, very good question, and a lot of companies are talking about automation, but our solution is really fully automatic. There's no human intervention. So salespeople can actually work completely naturally. They can use whatever device they like, and any customer-facing email, meeting, or contact that they're conversing with, Implisit is going to take care of that and update it for them. So literally no human intervention.
And is there a typical market segment that this is targeted at?
So as you probably know from all the implementations that you have done, it's a very generic problem to get people to contribute data consistently. So we're serving a lot of verticals. I can tell you that we have many companies in online advertising, many companies in financial services, many companies in the recruiting space, a lot of companies in software, but a lot, again, across many, many verticals. It's a very generic problem.
Okay. So for our audience, what do they need to do to get a hold of this and get a trial for it?
Yeah, so you can actually go to our website, which is www.implisit.com with an S, and you can just start a new trial. Again, it takes literally 60 seconds to connect your Salesforce account, then your email account, and you'll be live, up and running. And we have free trials, so yeah, absolutely. We invite you to do that.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much.